Meet the Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge, an engineering marvel of new slim hardware innovation. Samsung Electronics today has revealed the full specifications of the Galaxy S25 Edge, a category-defining slim smartphone joining the Galaxy S series. Crafted with style and strength in mind, Galaxy S25 Edge strikes a new balance of premium, pro-level performance in a resilient titanium body only 5.8mm mere thick. S25 Edge delivers on the S series legacy, integrating an iconic Galaxy AI-enabled camera and unleashing a new realm of creativity in an effortlessly portable device. Galaxy S25 Edge is more than a slim smartphone. The superior engineering that brought this revolutionary smartphone to life illustrates a commitment to overcoming barriers that helps Galaxy deliver truly unexpected premium experiences for people around the world, said TM Rowe, president and acting head of the Device Experience DX division at Samsung Electronics. S25 Edge not only marks a breakthrough for its category, but it also accelerates important innovation across the mobile industry. Exceptionally sleek and strong design, with a thin 5.8mm chassis, Galaxy S25 Edge is a remarkable feat of engineering that reimagines nearly every element of smartphone design for an even more compact and convenient experience. Its refined frame bridges form and function at just 163 grams, taking slim smartphones to the next level while staying true to the Galaxy S series' unified design. Alongside its streamlined silhouette comes exceptional resilience. The optimally curved edges and sturdy titanium frame offer enduring protection for everyday use. The latest Corning Gorilla R Glass Ceramic 2, a new glass ceramic offering that delivers engineered resilience, is used for the front display to yield both vibrancy and strength on Galaxy S25 Edge. Dynamic creativity with a pocketable 200MP camera. The slim and light design of Galaxy S25 Edge makes it easier than ever for users to capture memorable moments and express their creativity anytime, anywhere. The 200MP wide lens upholds the Galaxy S series' iconic camera experience while taking nightography to a new level. Thanks to its ultra-high resolution, users get sharper photos while maintaining clearer shots with large pixel size, capturing images with over 40% improved brightness in low-light environments. The 1280p ultra-wide sensor features autofocus, which powers crisp, detailed macro photography for even more creative flexibility. Peak performance expertly configured in ultra-slim housing, Galaxy S25 Edge is built to deliver premium performance, starting with the Snapdragon 8R Elite mobile platform for Galaxy, the same processor available in all Galaxy S25 series devices globally. Customized by Qualcomm Technologies, Inc., the chipset powers Galaxy S25 Edge's on-device AI processing capabilities and offers reliably fast performance all day. Galaxy S25 Edge also keeps its cool under sustained use thanks to a reconfigured vapor chamber that is now thinner yet broader for steady heat dissipation. Availability: Galaxy S25 Edge will be available in a captivating range of colors, including titanium silver, titanium jet black, and titanium icy blue. Display 6.7-inch, QHD's dynamic AMOLED 2x display, super smooth 120Hz refresh rate, 120Hz, vision booster, adaptive color tone. Dimensions and weight: 75.6x, 158.2x, 5.8, 163G. Camera: 12MP ultra wide camera, f2.2.200 200MP wide camera.ois, f1.7 2x optical quality zoom .200MP front camera, f2.2. Battery: 3,900 mAh. Typical value tested under third-party laboratory conditions. Typical value is the estimated average value considering the deviation in battery capacity among the battery samples tested under IEC 61960 standard. Rated minimum capacity is 3,786 mAh. Actual battery life may vary depending on network environment, usage patterns, and other factors. OS Android 15 One UI 7. Network and connectivity 5G LTE, Wi-Fi 7, Wi-Fi Direct Bluetooth RV 5.4, water resistance IP68 rating.